In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly attach and detach some of your accessories mounted either on your roof rack or your bed rack with this simple modification. Welcome back, Mafia. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to be installing a quick attach and detach system to my shower awning with the RacksBrax system. Let's go ahead and unbox this and I'll show you all the stuff that you get included in this kit. Now here's what comes in the RacksBrax HD hitch mount. I'm going to show you that this is actually the triple pack. So here's what comes in the box. Open it up, nicely packaged. Take this nice little cover off. And first thing you see are some instructions, just kind of going over how to put it together. And then you've got the actual kit in here. And what you have is in this triple pack, you'll get 3 attachment points. You'll get some mounting hardware. You'll get your keys, and then these are actual leashes for the pins. You'll get a couple of these tie down points, and then you get the actual RacksBrax itself. Now, the cool thing is that these are lockable, so that comes with the keys. And then this is actually where you'll insert your pin, and that keeps the bracket from coming out. So once we take the pin out, you're able to take the bracket out. And I'll show you just real quick. This one will attach to your awning. And when you're all set, you can basically place that in there, put your key, and then that bracket is on. Let's go ahead and get these installed on the truck. All right, next step is to get the mounting bracket on the back of the awning. But first, I gotta take the awning off. So here we go. Now, as mentioned earlier, I do have the triple pack, which I'm not going to need for this application. If I had a longer, say 180 or a 270 awning, I'd end up using 3 brackets. But because this is just a little shower awning, I'm only going to need 2. Now, previously I've been kind of taking the shower awning on and off with the Trail Rex mounting brackets. And when I took that off, I marked it with some tape so I kind of know where those align for the Trail Rex brackets. All right, so now I got the brackets on. I just put a washer and used the 10 mil that comes with it. You will have a couple of different bolts. One's a little bit larger, and it does come with larger nuts as well and washers, but this particular channel uses a 10 mil, so they do give you some 10 millimeter bolts, but I'm just utilizing the ones that came with the awning. So now those are all tightened down. I probably will have to do a little bit of adjustment, so they're just kind of hand tight for right now. Now it's time to get the bracket, the main bracket, on the Tacoma. All right, now we're ready to mount the RacksBrax bracket to the Trail Rex bracket, and we'll just mount that up just like that. We'll be utilizing the 10 mil bolts that came with it, so washer, bolt through, and then on the back side I'm going to do another washer and then the nut. Now these are nylock nuts as well, so they should be good not to vibrate. Now I have to do this, sure that's loose enough so I can at least align this properly. So I can do the bottom bolt. All right, now I am maxed out at the top here. Now what may need a little bit of adjustment is just side to side. But we're gonna get the other one on and then we'll test fit it, see if there's any adjustment that needs to be made, or we might be golden. All right, now that we have both of the brackets on, let's see how well this lines up and see if any adjustments need to be made. We'll go up from the top. And yes, I will have to make a little bit of an adjustment to this side. It needs to, it just needs to come over to my right, just a little bit. But that will place that right about there, which will be nice. All right, quick adjustment made. Slide that in, it aligns perfectly, and look at that, right into position. Now I'll go through and I'll just tighten everything down. All right, now that I have everything in place, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach the leash to the pin, and it's just gonna go right inside this hole here and wrap around this hole here. So that way I'm not going to lose them. There we go. Now the pin always stays with the bracket, so that way I'm not going to lose it. Now just go ahead and slide the awning in, put the pins in, and we are set to go. I'll even show you how to lock it. Now that the pins are in, just take the key that comes with, twist, and they are locked. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this install on the RacksBrax system. What do you guys think? Is this a nice solution for that quick attach and detach solution for your awning? I'm curious to know, so be sure to leave your comments down below. Now remember, there are 3 versions of the RacksBrax system. You have your standard, which it will only come with 2. This is the triple kit, so it did come with 3. And there is the XD version, which is actually going to be a taller version. And I will link all of those down in the description box below if you are interested in picking up a set. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. I've got more coming. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.